So, the big question of the day is what to put on your website when you are starting your business. That is the question I am about to tackle today. Hey there, my friends. This is Kelly Schaefer, the creator of the Concierge Academy, where I help local personal concierge businesses and other helper businesses make more money, get more clients, and have a greater impact in their local communities. So today I want to answer the question about websites. But before I do, I want to inform you that having a website is not always 100% necessary. So years ago, I had a client who joined one of my programs, and over the course of 6 months, she went from having one or two requests a month to having a full packed schedule and having to put people on a waiting list, all without a website. Yes, can you imagine it? Yes, you can. Because marketing is done in so many other areas that you aren't always required to have a website. That does not mean that I don't recommend that you do have one, especially as you begin to grow and expand and, trickle out into other areas and have corporate contracts. You'll definitely want to have that up-leveled look and representation of your brand. So in today's video, I want to give you 6 things that I think every good website has so that you know what to put on your website. The first thing you want is your About page. You definitely need to be connecting with your potential audience through your About page. The second thing is a Services page. You want to talk about the services that you offer. 3, a Contact page. How else are they going to get in touch with you? 4, a Pricing page where you describe and talk about some of your packages, your pricing, your membership, and there's so much debate about pricing on your website, pricing not on your website, and I talk about that in another video. 5, social proof. Social proof is testimonials, real live, living, breathing testimonials from people who have used your services. And here, my friends, I'm going to give you an extra little tip here. Don't just put testimonials on your website that say things like, Kelly showed up on time. Her team was great. You want a testimonial that tells a story. You want a testimonial that actually conveys what it is that you actually are doing for your clients, right? Not just the tasks, but the changes in people's lives that you are making. So make sure you keep that in mind when you are putting testimonials on your website. And 6, the FAQ page. This is a great way to educate people about how to use your services. Things like what time you operate, how you operate, are you insured, are you bonded, do you have a team, do you not have a team, and all the other questions that people ask you often. So, my friends, is it 100% necessary to have a website when you first get started on your business? It is not. However, if you do plan on building a website for your local business, make sure that your website has those 6 key elements. This is something we dive into in much greater detail. Actually, there are 12 core elements of a website, but I am providing 6 to you today. But we go into all 12 of them in one of my group programs. It is called the Fully Booked Marketing System. It is for offline businesses trying to get more clients and get the word out about their services in an online digitalized world. So, my friends, if you need help getting clients to your local business so that you can make more money, have a greater impact in your community, then I encourage you to check the link down below and consider joining us in our next round of Fully Booked. Until next time, my friends, bye for now.